Okay, you can see the light is flashing on the card, but the iPhone is not able to find anything. So I'm going to reset. One, two, three, four. Huh. Okay, turn it on. Reset. Last time I did it, it made a big noise. Okay, I think it reset. I bet it turned off last time. Let's see. Factory reset. Press it 3 times rally. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There's something. Okay, so I think I reset it. I just turn it on, right? Let's try the phone again. So let's cancel, go plus here. Other item, searching. Still nothing. Yeah, still nothing.